morning. We are here at the Alvista Hotel in Tagaytay and mag-check-in tayo for an overnight stay. So, let's go inside. So guys, ito ang part ng kanilang lounge area, the veranda. Diyan ang ating breakfast tomorrow. Welcome to our channel, Eat, Pray, Love, Travel. At nandito tayo ngayon ulit sa Tagaytay and we are staying here or we're going to stay here sa Taal Vista in Tagaytay. Nandito tayo sa kanilang alfresco area. Super nice. Ang ganda oh. Tinan mo. So mamaya in a while kasi we requested for early check-in. So sana mag-grant. Papakita natin ang room and then yung amenities mamayang gabi tingnan din natin kung gaano kaganda to kapag puro ilaw na siya at yung view super ganda, no? We booked this guys through Klook, okay? Huwag niyong kalimutan ang aming promo code. It's EPLT Klook para maka-avail kayo ng 5% discount sa booking ninyo dito sa hotel na to. And by the way, binook namin to or binayaran namin for 6,900 pesos only kasi nga may discount. So, ayun. And with breakfast yon. So, breakfast for 2. So, ang in-avail natin ay ang kanilang queen bed with 1 single bed. So, parang dalawa yung bed, yung isa queen tsaka yung isa single. So, mamaya update namin kayo of our room. Okay? See you in a bit. Bye-bye. So, guys, we're checking in. Our room number is 359. Okay, sa may Lake Wing siya. Okay, let's go. 359. So nakapag-early check-in tayo, guys. It's just 12:30. And let's check out our room. Okay. And of course, merong safe, may iron. Do they have slippers? Check natin. Meron dito ang patungan ng mga gamit. And this is the room. So here's our room with mini ref, with TV. Meron ding mga mini bar. And let's take a peek. Ooh! Oh my gosh! Kakaiba tong view natin. Anyways, meron pa rin naman. May window. This is our bathroom. Guys, ito na ang standard room. Isang queen bed at isang single. And we got this for 6,990 something sa Klook. Okay? We got it with 5% discount. So, mga 200 plus din yung na-less niya. May kasama ng breakfast yun. May window, pero ang view mo ay Sky Ranch. So, syempre, kung Taal view, ang difference is may balcony. At the same time, talagang full Taal view yon. So, mga nasa 9,000 pesos siguro. But this one, for an overnight stay, is okay na. Pero tomorrow, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano ang kanilang lineup for breakfast buffet and check natin yung pool nila plus yung other amenities nila mamayang gabi para makita natin kung gaano kaganda ang Taal area or ang Taal Vista kapag gabi. So, see you later. Bye-bye. So, we are at the Lake Wing area of Taal Vista. Parang second building nila to. Na merong facing the Taal and meron din facing the Sky Ranch. Ito na actually yung Sky Ranch, nasa side na. So, bibingka at puto bongbong dito na area. What time nag-o-open, kuya?
Meron na po, ma'am.
Ah, meron na. Magkano?
Combo po siya, ma'am.
5?
580.
580. Paano combo?
Pati puto bongbong.
With coffee na. Until what time yun?
70 yun.
Oh, nice.
Bibingka with puto bongbong.
Bibingka with salted egg yan?
Opo, ma'am.
Ay, ang galing.
May sample pa.
Ayun, may pasample si kuya.
May pre-taste din.
Kag.
Mali, sir, lalagay pa po siyang toppings.
Oh.
Malaki naman pala.
Ayun. Ganda, no? Area nila. Ito yung mountain wing area. Yung sa atin is lake wing. Swimming pool. Straight ahead. Ito. Mayroon silang swimming pool.
Saan?
Dito sa mountain wing.
Ano ibig sabihin mo?
I don't know. Ayan. So, ito na pala yun. Ito na yung swimming pool area. Late lang pala. No? No pets allowed. So guys, this is Taal Vista Hotel. At night. Nice! Ganda, no? Han, dapat, where are you?
Wait lang. I like her.
Sky Ranch, oh. Cute.
Oo. Six tayong apat.
Good morning. Punta tayo ngayon sa veranda para sa breakfast buffet nila. So, ang breakfast nila nag-start from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, here is the veranda restaurant. Dito ang kanilang breakfast area. Nandito tayo sa loob ng kanilang breakfast buffet area. So, we're trying their food. Hindi naman din ganun ka-wide selection, pero tingnan natin kung kumuha din tayo ng ating mga tocino, adobo, danggit, beshi, and chicken longganisa. Try natin siya with the garlic rice. Pero may nakita ko, steamed brown rice.
What?
Steamed brown rice. No? Steamed brown rice. Anyways, so far parang ito lang yung main ulam, no? Tapos may bacon doon, baked bean at saka sausage. So, this is their Filipino konti na kasi yung selection. So, it's a good breakfast naman if kasama siya sa stay here in Taal Vista. So, I mean, kasama siya sa binook ninyo na stay dito sa Taal Vista. It's 1,300 kasi per person. So, pero kung walk-in, parang hindi ko siya ma-advise na mag-walk-in kayo dito for breakfast kasi konti yung selection niya. If you're going to compare it sa iba, like bag of beans, balay dako, and rosario, sobrang dami. Dito kasi ang konti lang talaga ng kanilang main dish or main dish, no?
Kasi yung presyong 1 parang na yun, balay dako.
Oo, balay dako.
Balay dako
sobrang dami na. Basta, kumbaga, okay naman siya. It's a good breakfast kung kasama siya talaga dito. Pero kung sasadyain niyo siya for breakfast na magbabayad kayo ng 1,300, I suggest na magpunta na lang kayo ng Rosario, balay dako, or bag of beans. So, ayun na guys. So, since nasa prutas na kami, masarap naman din yung prutas, actually fresh naman. Kaya lang yung konti lang talaga yung selection ng pagkain. And anyway, ayun, pero okay naman siya. It's a good breakfast. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.